Earning $1,000 per month in a straightforward manner is a common goal for many people. Here we explore several options that can help you reach this target, catering to different skills and interests. 1. Freelancing asterisk. With the rise of remote work, freelancing has become a viable option for many. Websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer host opportunities for writing, graphic design, programming, and more. To reach $1,000 a month, aim to find stable gigs and build a portfolio that attracts clients. 2. Tutoring asterisk. If you have expertise in any academic subject, you can offer tutoring services. Platforms like tutor.com or VIPKid allow you to teach students worldwide. Tutoring rates can vary, but consistent weekly sessions can add up to a steady monthly income. 3. Online courses and digital products asterisk. If you have a specific skill or knowledge area, consider creating and selling online courses or ebooks. Websites like Udemy or Teachable can facilitate this. Set competitive prices and market your products effectively. 4. Rent a room or property asterisk. If you have extra space, consider renting it on platforms like Airbnb. This option requires minimal daily effort and can be a substantial source of additional income, especially if you live in a popular area or tourist destination. 5. User testing and surveys asterisk. Websites like User Testing or Survey Junkie pay users to provide feedback on products or websites. While not all tasks are highly paid, combining multiple small projects can contribute towards your monthly target. 6. Ride-sharing or delivery services asterisk. Services such as Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or Postmates offer flexible working hours. While they may require a larger time commitment compared to other suggestions, they can be an effective way to earn additional money if you already have a vehicle. 7. Sell handmade goods asterisk. If you're inclined towards crafting, selling handmade items on Etsy or at local markets could be lucrative. Whether it's jewelry, art, or homemade food items, finding the right niche and customer base is key. Maximizing these opportunities often requires dedication and time. While making $1,000 a month easily may involve sharing or selling services, skills, or resources you already possess, doing so efficiently means focusing on those that suit your lifestyle and financial goals. Through consistency and effort, reaching this goal is achievable.